R is S and S plus. So it's from Bell Labs, and S plus S is introduced as a programming language for statistician. I cannot imagine the language and strength of S because it's an old language. It runs with a, you need to compile every time that language. The old version, it comes with a magnetic device, and you need to bring much attention to compile that program. It's a heuristic way to do that, but after some time they released S plus in late 80s, 87 I think. So it doesn't matter, and while this person, Robert Ginman and Rose Iheka, you can spell it anyways, these two persons started thinking about making a new language based on Fortran, and that's specially used for statistical purpose. So they made a program, and it's actually the next generation of S plus, and it's a very interpretive and very simple language when compared to S and S plus. So this person made this language, and then after it turned as a community effort to build this language in the future direction, and many versions has been released. Now also we are running 3.1.3, some version like R. So there are different environment for R. We'll have a basic look on what are the environment that people are using for R. So, and R comes with another prefix or suffix like statistics. So R is not a general purpose language, it's a domain specific language. How many of you know what is the domain specific language? Can you use my process? That's why I'm asking. I need not ask every question and answer, or you can help me to do that. So it's a specific domain, for especially for statistics. So when you think about R, don't think like it's a supermarket. You'll get everything in R. You can do everything on R, but it is not like that. You can compare, or a better analogy is it is like a super specialty hospital rather than a medical college. If it is a medical college like Python, you will get everything. You can do anything on Python or C or C++. But R is like a super specialty hospital. They will treat only statisticians. If you are coming with the data, huge data, that's fine. Otherwise, if you are doing something like a very vast interpretation of something, or a visualization of something, or a video production, or a audio signal analysis, better go for some other language. So if you are a statistician, if you are interested to manipulate some statistical data, if you are coming with a huge amount of data with rows and columns, you are most welcome in R. So otherwise don't think that R is like a supercomputer. You can do everything or anything on R. And these all lines, there is a GNU, General Public License Language, and it's an open source language, and it has a capability for data analysis and processing, and it uses most of the matrix algebra, and hash tables and regular expressions are the power of R in using text language or strings. For the language processing, there is a exhaustive expression library, regular expression library, and it has a high level analytical language for statistical analysis, and it is a built-in function for statistical analysis, and it runs OOPs. It's based on object-oriented concepts, and it has a very good graphic support. And if you are interested to publish something, so come with we can do with that, and it produces the publication quality images. And in other languages, like similar language, if you are doing with Excel or something, so you will not get a publication quality image sometimes. So the resolution, the quality, and the variety of image that R can produce is the strength of R. So as a programming language, we can say we will debate that whether R is a programming language or not. There are different opinions. Like R may not be considered as a programming language. It's a platform. It's an environment. But R has a language. It has a language, but it is not a programming language. We'll come to that later. So for what all domain you can use R? So anything that is related to mathematics or statistics and run with data analysis, anything and everything we can use in R. So that is the beauty and power of R language. So R comes with different, most of the language in new generation, like Python and everything. R comes with a base package and other packages that support many of the functions. So R base is absolutely free and it comes under GNU public license, and you can download from rproject.org. This website you can access and download for any version of like Macintosh, normally Linux, any version, Windows, any version, it absolutely supports. You can download from the web page and use R. And the second thing is R has a language. Like, can you consider? Do you consider that our Microsoft Excel is a programming language? Yes? No. But it has a language. It runs up with Visual Basic environment, and it has many manipulations, and we can do some of the things like huge mathematical operations can also be done with using Excel because it has a language behind. The similar way, what we are using is an R environment, but it is a language, but it is having more power than that of this Microsoft Visual Basic Enterprise applications.